प्लीज बोलो
कल्याण जी,
तुम्ही दाঁড়াও।
कल्याण जी सर उनको अलाउ कीजिए,
नो
काइंडली अलाउ नहीं कल्याण जी आप
ঠিক বলুন
आप कल्याण बोले तो मैं नेक्स्ट बुलाऊंगा ऑन रिकॉर्डे रखते হবে ऑन रिकॉर्डे रखते হবে ना पार्टी থেকে ऑन रिकॉर्डे रखते
পার্টি
হবে
থেকে তো আপনাকে বলতে
ऑन
হবে
कल्याण जी आप बोलिए बोलबो सुविधा बोलুন यस
ও কি করে
স্যার
জোরে ইনসিস্ট করতে পারছে
जो ऑनरेबल स्पीकर
আগে বলো,
Kindly
না
see-
বলতে তো অন্যায় হয়েছে বলো।
that the fair trial only would be there when an affected person is being heard. If an affected person is not heard, there cannot be any fair trial. There cannot be any fair trial. This is the house, maybe parliament. Sir, with great respect to you, whatever I am saying, kindly do not take any exception. It's a parliament, it's a house members, but today all we are deciding the right of a person. When we are deciding the right of a person, we are all acting as a quasi-judicial body. And before a quasi-judicial body, a affected person should be heard. Sir, I will request you, kindly allow Mohua Moitro to be heard. That is the request I am going on making. Sir, if this is a disturbance, sir, when we speak, then
No, please.
against us would be privilege would be there, against us everything would be there, and they will be going on disturbing everything every day. Sir, you see, fundamental principles of law, that a person against whom a charge has been brought, and the persons who are bringing the charges, that should be established in accordance with the procedure of law. Sir, here, this case will clearly reveal that. Because of who is the main man? Main man was Darshan Hiranandani, who has relied upon his statement. His name is Jai Anand Dehadri, who has brought it, one of the Honorable MP Nishikanta Dubey. On what basis it is going on? It is going on the basis of Darshan Hiranandani. His affidavit has been brought. Sir, before the committee even, the Darshan Hiranandani was not brought as a witness, and he has not testified. This is his affidavit. This affidavit, no affidavit can be relied upon unless a person comes and say, this is my affidavit, whatever I have said in the contents, these contents are correct, and what I am saying. Thereafter, sir, in a quasi-judicial proceeding, right of cross-examination is a fair hearing. Sir, right of hearing is not a fanciful, is not a right of fanciful. It has to be made meaningful right. It has to be made meaningful right. Whenever they are making the allegation, whether it is a Dehadri or the Darshan Hiranandani or the Nishikanta Dubey, that's sir, Mohua Moitro he was having a right to cross-examine each and every three persons. That has not been allowed. Sir, it is not the point. What has happened earlier? This is not the point. Point is that, sir, law is not remain in an island. Law is being developed in our country because of the interpretation of the law by the Supreme Court of India. It has been clearly said by the various judgment by the Supreme Court, the affected persons has not been given to defend himself or herself in a proper manner, right manner. Then it's not a case, sir. It is not. This is a violation of the principles of natural justice. What is the violation of principles of natural justice? Principles of natural justice is implicit in Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Article 14, it is implicit in the Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Therefore, not only the right of hearing is violated, sir, Mohua Moitro's right, as protected under Article 14 of the Constitution of India, has been violated by the Ethics Committee vis-a-vis today by the House itself. There was a violation, constitutional violation is being made. Sir, next, now sir, come to the, please. Sir, kindly see, repeatedly it is being referred regarding the, sir, 2005 Caspar Quarry case. Kindly come to report page 18. In the page 18, it has been said, under serial number 12, Sri Pawan Kumar Bansal was appointed as chairman of the said committee. Committee examined Shri Anuruddha Bahal. Message, sir, आपको time देना होगा sir. Today, sir, time देना होगा sir. I have sir, Susani Raj and Sri Kumar Badal of the Portal Corporate Corporation, so and so was and the member have been examined. They have been examined. Here, sir, the Hiranandani has not been examined at all. Hiranandani has not been examined. It is not, it is just an I was, please, sir. Sir, if you are the honorable minister, always you have a right, but kindly do not excuse me. Sir, this has been, he has the right.
Okay.
Now, Mudgal, sir, give me time, sir. Please give me time. You have not allowed Mahua Mohitra to speak. Kindly allow me to speak, sir. Now, sir, kindly come. This report speaks about, I am coming, sir. What is the, kindly come. Serial number 43. It has been said that, quoted his car, who has said? Darshan Hiranandani has not said. What
Okay.
Joy has said, everything has been written here. Sir, please, sir, sir. I am coming, sir. Other points are there. Kindly wait. Kindly give me a chance. Today I am just praying before you. Kindly render justice to me.
आप एक मिनट में बात कर दें।
Not एक शब्द में नहीं होगा.
एक मिनट बात कर दें।
Please, sir. Sir, it has been, sir, you see, relied upon this section 43. Section 43 of the Information and Technology Act said it's a violation of section 43. Where is this section 43 has said, if a password, even let's assume for the argument's sake, allegations are correct. Where this section 43 has said, if password is given to anyone, it's an offense under the Information and Technology Act. If anyone uses my computer without my consent, then section 43 is applicable here. This has not been done, sir.
Okay.
Now, sir, please, sir, please. For God's sake, please. Sir, kindly see. The
Conclude
point
कर
is,
दीजिए आप।
here is the finding. Kindly see. Finding is, the recommendation is kindly give me these chances. Kindly see the recommendation conclusion. Conclusion is, sir, it has been proved, cash has been taken. Where is that? Where is this finding? Where is this finding on facts? How much cash? There is no finding. There is not based on evidence. Now I am coming a very important, sir, I am coming a very important question. I will conclude. Sir, I should have given a chance. Today, I am concluding, sir. Sir, with great respect to the Honorable Speaker, with great respect to all the members of this House does not have power to remove someone as a member. Constitution has provided provision for disqualification. This disqualification has been provided by the Constitution under Article 102 and 10th schedule of the Constitution. It is not coming within that. Sir, you are having the power to suspend under Rule 374 of the rules of the Parliament itself. Therefore, let's assume for argument's sake, there is no power of removal by the House itself to remove to expel and to remove the Mahua Mohitra. Constitution does not permit, rule does not permit, even any precedent has been done. That's contrary to the rules, that's contrary to the precedent. No precedent, no rule can stand, sir, above the constitutional provision.
मैं दो बातें आपको स्पष्ट करना, आप सब वरिष्ठ सदस्य हैं ऐसे तो, और वरिष्ठ अनुभव भी है। मुझे बार बार कह रहे हैं कि जस्टिस नहीं हो रहा, न्याय नहीं हो रहा। एक पार्लियामेंट का प्रोसीजर, नियम प्रक्रिया बनी हुई है। नियम प्रक्रियाओं के तहत जो कमिटीज होती है, उस कमिटीज के अंदर चर्चा होती है, एविडेंस होते हैं, पक्ष विपक्ष सुने जाते हैं। वो कमिटी का प्रोसीजर है, ये पार्लियामेंट में उस प्रोसीजर की पालना नहीं होती कि आप किसको बोलने का न्याय नहीं कर रहे हैं। यहां पर हम उस कमेटी के प्रस्ताव पर चर्चा कर रहे हैं। आप फिर समझे बात को। हम कमेटी के प्रस्ताव पर, ये चीजें होना चाहिए कमिटीज पर। कमेटी न्यायालय की तरह काम करती है, सबके पक्ष सुनती है, करती है, लेकिन ये सदन न्यायालय की तरह काम नहीं करता। ये तो उस कमेटी के प्रस्ताव पर चर्चा कर रहा है। क्लियरिटी है ना इस बात पर? कोई कंफ्यूजन है? नो। देखो, मैं आपकी तरह विद्वान वकील नहीं हूं, लेकिन आपने मुझे अध्यक्ष चुना है तो मैं नियम के तहत बात कर रहा हूं, बिना नियम के बात नहीं कर रहा हूं। मैं आप देखिए, आप दो बड़े वकील हैं, जस्टिस है, दो वकील, आप तीसरे वकील, आप वकील हैं, तीनों वकील एक बात बताइए कि ये समिति के अंदर ये सब चर्चाएं होनी चाहिए। ये हाउस में थोड़ी चर्चा होगी है।
गंभीरता इससे भी पता चलती है
नो,
कि टीएमसी के अपने सदस्य नहीं आए हैं,
प्लीज
वही साथ में नहीं आधे अधूरे।
प्लीज, ये सब प्रोसीजर, एथिक कमेटी हो, विशेषाधिकार कमेटी हो, अपनी जितनी भी कमेटियां हो, उन कमेटी प्रस्ताव करती है, उस प्रस्ताव पर सदन पर चर्चा होती है। नो, आप उस पर सवाल उठा सकते हो ना। आप यहां पर ये नहीं कह सकते कि न्याय करो, ये तो उस प्रस्ताव पर चर्चा कर रही है। नो, गिरधारी यादव जी प्लीज, नो, आप उसको गलत तरीके से इस सदन को पेश कर रहे हो। ये सदन इसके लिए नहीं है।